Assalamu alaikum. Right now I'm sitting on the bench and it is newly made recently, and this bench was made or is still the total task was not completed yet. It takes time, and this was being made for sitting or for shelter for once or two people, or also we can use this bench for sitting here or for rest time, as a farmers who work this area. A very beautiful place this area, and I do not come here for a long time. I have not been here, and after 2 weeks 3 weeks later I have come here again. Today's weather is very good. It looks like sunny and there is no any dark side, and everything is very beautiful. And this is the bench is situated in my uncle's home estate. This is the one of the largest home estate in this field, and beside this there was a canal also goes there. But this bench is very beautiful because it's under the shadow I'm sitting, and also very peaceful area, and there is no any dangerous things is here available. Everything is looks like beautiful, and anyone can come here and to take a rest for a while and take the natural wind, natural views. Everything is very looks beautiful and superly you can use. So if you really want to bench or make this bench in any area like this type of area, what kind of elements should you buy? Like you need bamboo, wood, like you have need different kind of, and you have to need hammer to connect this with wood and bamboo. And most of the things you have to need the very beautiful place and perfect place where am I sitting right now. It is a perfect for me and also other person who are making this bench. It looks like beautiful. Also there is a stairs for get up or get down from this bench, and looks like very beautiful. And it's about 11 o'clock, but surroundings is no people. Nowadays people are working very hard because in front there are few weeks left for Idul Fitr, and they have to earn money. They need money for Idul Fitr. They have to buy clothes and etc thing they have to do, and everything is needed. So most of the workers are busy nowadays for earning money for in front of the Idul Fitr. So now this place I like it, and this place there are many works are left to complete this bench, and also many things have to do. It takes times, and this is my magical moment and magical video also. They how to talk about the bench on wood bench where the people making this perfectly. I hope this video must help you. So by the way, there is also a like tree. It's very favorite and also popular tree in our area, and the most popular tree are mango. Beside me this is a mango tree also, you are seeing that. And I hope you're also practicing like this way, and it must help you if you practice like this way, and never stop your practicing, and try to practice every moment, every time, and use your environment to develop your etc. So I want to give you some more information about this bench, because this bench where length is around like 5 to 6 or 6 to 8 feet is length, and the height is the beginning time is around 2 feet, and the last point of this bench height is around 10 feet or 10 to 12 feet is very high, and 10 to 12 feet maybe it's very high. Then in front of the back end side is one kind of slope this homestead, and this bench was made in this slope homestead. So by the way, this is the last point. And talking about the bench, you talk about your surrounding, you talk about any specific topic. If you really want to be advanced in English, it must help you to develop your fluency, and try to practice whatever you know. It doesn't matter, but practice every moment, every time, and that must help you these things. And never stop your practicing. Practice at least 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, but every day and regular is necessary. Try to practice regularly. So I will come back to another video very soon. in very new area. At that time, keep practicing, keep watching, and be safe, and be following very soon. Pray for you, inshallah. Come back to another video. Till that, assalamu alaikum.